Well, today I got a job. It's not a very big job. We got to move this motorhome, 500-600 feet over there. Motor doesn't work on it anymore. Broke down. I think the wheels might even be seized up. I'm not sure. It's pretty good size. It's a 1989 Southwind by Fleetwood. Definitely seen better days. Let's take a peek inside here. I don't know if I'm crazy about this ceiling, but anyways, it's been dead for a while. But I suppose with a little work could be fixed up. I'm definitely thinking that this ceiling is not original. Interested to see where it came from. Well, anyways, we'll get to it. Camper was crinkling. I gotta reset. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that whole camper is sidewall, and the side of that camper is completely bending. There, got that reset. The axle was locked up, as you could probably see, but the old 120 ripped her around pretty good. I don't think that thing's going anywhere from here, but he's got a nice little view of his pond, so nice view of the mountains in the background. So, yeah, always something new. I had recently dug some trenches here for some footings for a pavilion. Over the weekend we got like 2 inches of rain, so they kind of filled in with water a little bit. So we're gonna come and dig a daylight amount down the hill so they drain, dry out, and he can put his foot in. says go ahead. The Irish says maybe I better do it another way. Can't believe the amount of water around here. It's crazy. Transit with the slope feature works pretty good. You don't end up making too many holes. Just follow it and it pitches right down a hill. Can't believe the amount of water that comes out of this place. Definitely a good place to build ponds.